Hey, what's up, you guys? So, we're at the Pond Hockey Club. Played a little pickup. It's been a long time since I've skated. But I thought it'd be fun to come out here and skate. And yeah, so let's get some game on. Actually pretty quick. Alright, you guys, we just got done at the Pond Hockey Club. Super awesome experience. Sweaty as heck. Pretty awesome though. Got a pretty good goalie right there. Amazingly, he only has one leg, which is pretty surprising. But yeah, fun time, fun experience. Always gonna get a really good sweat in. Nice cardio workout in my opinion. Anyways, guys, get out there, travel, learn, grow, and create. See you next video. Peace.